Hello friends, using this circuit you can monitor real-time temperature and humidity. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make it easier. Two pieces common cathode 7-segment display. Dotted Vero board. Arduino Nano. Female header pins. DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. For power source, you can use power bank or 9-volt battery. Now we have to connect sensor and displays to Arduino Nano. It is display 1 and it is display 2. Here is the 7-segment displays pin configuration. Connect first displays pin number 3 and 8, which is common ground pin, to Arduino digital pin 9. Connect also second displays pin 3 and 8 and connect it to Arduino digital pin 10. Connect DHT11 sensors signal out pin to Arduino digital pin 11 and sensors positive pin to Arduino 3.3 volt and sensors ground pin to Arduino ground. Now we have to connect first display to Arduino Nano. Here is the connection chart. Now connect first display to second display. Here is the connection chart. For more about connection, you can visit link in description. Now we need to upload code to Arduino. Download Arduino code from link in the video description. Here we are using DHT library. So download library file, zip file and add library. To add library, go to sketch, include library, add library, locate your library, After that, open .ino file, check your board and COM port and upload code to Arduino Nano. For test, you can make it on a breadboard also. I am using a power bank for power source. If you are using a 9V battery, then connect 9V battery's positive to Arduino VIN pin and battery's negative pin to Arduino ground. The small t indicate temperature and the h is humidity. For testing, I have put it in front of an air cooler and it is working. You can see temperature is decreasing and humidity is increasing. If you like this video, please thumbs up. Goodbye friends.